Morning guys, July 15, 2024. I got a call from a lady. She's renting this house to this guy and she's having a problem with the tub drain. I guess the waste and overflow isn't staying up. The trip lever setup's gotta hold it for it to work, so it might just be the waste and overflow mechanism on the top might have let loose. I have them in the truck, shouldn't be a big deal. Go by there and see if that's what the issue is, and whatever it is, we'll fix it.
Tarrant Street, then turn right.
Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Yep.
Turn right on.
Another damsel in distress, story of my life.
Turn right at the stop sign.
That's what we're here for. The grubber. More screws. I don't want to drop that.
We'll leave you their contact info over here.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
He said he'll get the check out to you today, or if that's a problem, they actually live right down the street, so I can give you their address if you wanted to.
Yeah, as long as you give me the address, I'll mail it to them.
Sure.
Like I said, you know, I don't know who they are. They call me on the phone. I might have worked for them before.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody wants to work for free, right?
No, sir.
You? I don't. You use these probably fine. Sometimes the nose screws aren't the same. No work today?
No, I had a float holiday. I usually have Thursdays off and had 4th of July, so like it was a float.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. be just down here in the living room. If you need anything, need water or anything, just let me know.
Okay, I'm just gonna check this and make sure it works. I'm gonna have to adjust it. If not, we're good. Hopefully. There we go. Piece of cake.